Hi everyone, it's Layla from Blight Smart Store, and today we finally have some of our first Ring indoor cameras, and I'm just quickly going to do an unboxing video for you guys to just see what the product looks like. It's very small and so cute, but it's still just as powerful as the first ones. This is our Ring. Oh, it's adorable. This is our Ring stick-up cam, so you can just compare in size. It's very small. Here it is against my hand, so that's very cute. And then it still has all of the same features as the previous one. So it still has the night vision, it still has the built-in alarm system, it still has two-way audio, motion detection, everything. So it's literally the same product as the first one. It's just smaller, cheaper, and made for indoors. And it's hardwired, so let's just see what the cable looks like. I think it will be like a charging cable for your phone. Yeah, it comes with a nice long cable, so you can just enter this there at the back, and literally it's as easy as that to set up. And it comes with a South African adapter there at the front that you can just click on there. Ooh, there we go. And you can just click it on. It's as easy as that. So that's literally the total product. It comes with these cute stickers that you can put on your gate or all over your house to show that you are protected. So that's very cool. For more details, you guys can go to Blight Smart Store. On all platforms, we are just Blight Smart Store, and then for our website, it's blightsmartstore.com, just one full word. And yes, comment on this video if you want us to contact you in regards to more details.